Blakeslee. I've been here 18 plus years, and I've worked starting at Pinbore. Didn't know anything about this stuff, and now I'm the lead of the Wiseco milling section. In the milling section, we get parts from the lathes, and we mill the domes and all the under crown stuff, all the skirts. Well, when I started here, everything was pretty much open milling, and now everything's pretty much enclosed, so it's a lot safer. Volume of production amazes me that there's that many pistons in the world. I can't believe we make that many. My experience, I don't regret starting here, and I'm hoping to get at least 10, 15 more years and retire from here.
My name's Steve Legat. I've been with the company for 35 years. Grew up with the company, started in manufacturing, worked my way into R&D department. We get to take raw material and hit it with massive tonnage, flame, and see a raw product. When I started, Wiseco was family owned. Everybody was enthusiasts, and it just built from there. You know, they got to a point where they needed to grow the company, and we're growing. We're still growing. I started with 40 people. Now we're up to over 300. I think that's the main thing, that we're moving forward. Technology's getting better. We're making better parts, and we keep making better parts.